Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. RUNE is a coin that I don't normally cover that much on YouTube. It is not that popular on YouTube for whatever reason. For whatever reason, I have no idea why. It does produce some decent patterns actually. And we want to talk about the latest structure here, or the latest update on the RUNE chart. Unfortunately, RUNE failed to form a 5-wave move up here from the September low, 6th of September low. So I see two possible pathways that are still bullish. Both, however, allow for a little lower in the short term. I can tell you that the move down from the September high, when the price topped here around 570, it's not impulsive. So it might be forming some kind of a diagonal pattern. So it's either the white count or the yellow count, I would say. Obviously, it can break out at any point. Yeah, and that's why we're tracking the resistance. So someone asked me a few days ago if isn't there a directly bullish, pathway? Well, there is, and it would become into focus with a break above resistance. Well, that's basically why I track resistance, but it takes a break above resistance to make that pathway clearer, because the pullback has been quite shallow so far for this, let's say, alternative scenario. So if we say, okay, maybe the pullback is a B wave and it bottomed already, that's technically possible, but it would be an extremely shallow wave B. Yeah. So therefore, I'm actually watching for at least one more low in wave C of B. At the same time, the signal level for a direct breakout to the upside is 536. Doesn't mean any break above 536 means we go to the moon. It just means that with a break above 536, the white count with a larger B wave becomes a little bit less probable, but not impossible. Okay, I mean, it could still, then, we know that B waves can sometimes overshoot. So for me, I see this as an opportunity if the price gets to this support zone down there between 290 and 366. Then we have still the larger support zone anyway here on the chart between 411 and 140 for the larger move, for the larger degree, larger time frame move. But here in the short term, the trend seems to be down from the September high. It's not impulsive. So the yellow count is either a diagonal or the white count is unfolding. It's not clearly bearish. So I'm generally still looking for higher prices, but there is a potential for lower prices in the short term, which is why I'm highlighting this here with a support area, which is located between 290 and 366. Now, to keep this roadmap alive, I already mentioned the price would ideally stay below 536. So there's a standard resistance area between $5.03 and 536. The price could move a little higher here in an ABC flat correction, but it doesn't have to. So I can easily add the 38.2 retracement to the micro resistance area. It is, prices reacted there twice now, but normally a wave 2 would go a little higher. But bear in mind, we're dealing here with a very small time frame and wave degree and an altcoin chart. But yeah, let's say a more pronounced wave 2 or B wave would look a little bit better. Either way, the resistance area is there to keep the trend down short term, and it takes a break above resistance to basically break free from that. But at the moment, as long as we stay below resistance, one more low in wave C of B would be preferred. That's the update about RUNE. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.